Welcome to the Cedar Rapids Community School District 2021-2022 Benefits Annual Enrollment. Following are some noteworthy highlights for the 2021-2022 plan year. New this year, vision insurance is now available beginning 07/01/2021. Take action if you want to enroll, otherwise this new coverage will default to waive. Also new this year, benefit deductions will be taken from fewer paychecks, 24 times instead of 26 for year-round employees and teachers, 18 times instead of 19 for employees who do not work year-round. Medical rates have decreased. Review the rate chart in your benefit enrollment guide for your paycheck cost. Flexible spending account, health or dependent care elections will not roll over from year to year. Take action and enroll if you want to participate. This is your once-a-year opportunity to enroll in, change, such as add or remove eligible dependents, or cancel your medical and or dental coverage. If you want to leave your medical and or dental elections as they are, no action is needed. These elections do roll over effective 07/01/2021 if no action is taken. We have created a benefits enrollment guide specifically for your work group that outlines the options available to you, the paycheck costs for each of the benefits, and instructions on how to complete your enrollment. You can access the enrollment guide in one of two ways. Access to the guide will be sent in the annual enrollment emails that the benefits department is sending throughout the annual enrollment period, or you can access the guide directly online via the district's website at www.cr.k12.ia.us under Departments and Services, then click Human Resources, Benefits, and Annual Enrollment. In this next section, we will cover what is changing for the well-marked medical plans offered through the district. The rates are decreasing effective July 1st for all 4 well-marked medical plans offered through the district. To review and compare the rates for each plan, please refer to the Benefits Enrollment Guide as mentioned previously. Deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums will remain the same for all 4 medical plans. Plan copays will be applied to telehealth services with local providers. This does not include Wellmark's Doctor on Demand, which continues to be at no copay for covered members. Refer to the 2021-2022 MIIP Health Plan Comparison to compare the plans at a glance. You may access the comparison either through the link in your Benefits Enrollment Guide under the Medical section or on the district website at www.cr.k12.ia.us under Departments and Services, then click Human Resources, Benefits, and Health Plans Information. Did you know that you can connect with a doctor-on-demand physician from virtually anywhere using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and that there's no cost to you for the visit? That's right, $0 copay. Simply download the Doctor on Demand app to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, complete the registration, have your Wellmark ID ready and handy, and you're good to go the next time you need to speak with a doctor. During the registration process, Wellmark does require that you register a credit card as part of the process, but it will not be charged if you have successfully completed your profile with your full Wellmark ID number. Doctor on Demand is a safe and secure way to visit a doctor from the convenience of your own home or while traveling. You're avoiding exposure to other illnesses or spreading your illness to other folks by using this free virtual office visit. If your Doctor on Demand prescribes a medication, they will place the order with your preferred Wellmark pharmacy. Pharmacy copays do apply. The district dental plan continues to be offered through Delta Dental of Iowa with no changes to the plan provisions. The rates are not changing for the upcoming plan year. Please keep in mind that even though there are no changes to rates, the frequency of your deductions is changing. As a result, the amount being deducted from your paycheck will be different from what you see currently. You can find the rate chart in your benefits guide. You can also find a summary of the dental plan by clicking on the link in the benefit guide under the dental section or on the district website at www.cr.k12.ia.us under Departments and Services, then click Human Resources, Benefits, and Dental Insurance. You may enroll yourself and your eligible dependents if you do not take the district's medical coverage. New beginning in July 2021, the district will offer vision insurance through Delta Dental of Iowa. You can find the rate chart in your benefits enrollment guide. You can also find a summary of the vision plan by clicking on the link in the enrollment guide under the Vision section or on the district website at www.cr.k12.ia.us under Departments and Services, then click Human Resources, Benefits, and Vision Insurance. You may enroll yourself and your eligible dependents even if you do not take the district's medical coverage. In this section, we will discuss the flexible spending accounts offered through the district. There are two types of pre-tax accounts that are offered. Healthcare spending accounts, also referred to as Health FSA, and dependent care spending accounts, also referred to as Dependent FSA. Let's first review the healthcare spending account. You can set aside money from your paychecks on a pre-tax basis, meaning that taxes are not deducted, to use for eligible healthcare, dental, and vision expenses for you and your eligible dependents. The maximum amount that you can set aside under the district's plan is $2,750 beginning July 1st. If, through their employer, your spouse contributes to a health savings account, also known as an HSA, and is associated with a qualified high-deductible health plan, which is a different type of pre-tax account from a flexible spending account, then you can enroll in this plan. However, you can also use your account for dental and vision expenses. During the enrollment process in Blues Enroll, you will be asked this question, which will determine which type of account you will have. If your spouse does not contribute to an HSA through their employer, then you will answer no when prompted. With the Health FSA, you will receive a WageWorks debit card that can be used at different points of service, such as to pay copays at your doctor's office or pharmacy, or to pay for prescription eyeglasses. Keep all of your receipts, as you may be required to produce them as documentation of your expenses by WageWorks or FSA plan administrator. Finally, with the Health FSA, you can use up to your annual election amount even before you have contributed all of the funds through payroll deductions. However, plan carefully. If you do not use all of the funds in your account by the deadlines, you will lose them. This is an IRS rule and not a district rule. Next, let's review the dependent care spending account. You can set aside money from your paychecks on a pre-tax basis, meaning that taxes are not deducted, to use for eligible daycare expenses that you can occur while you're working. The maximum amount that you can set aside under the district's plan is $5,000 or $2,500 if you are married and file separately. You must provide the EIN or SSN for your daycare provider at the time you submit a claim. Therefore, if your daycare provider does not report their income to the IRS, then you would not be eligible to sign up for this dependent FSA account. Unlike the healthcare FSA, with the dependent care FSA, you can only get reimbursed the amount that you have put in through payroll deductions at the time you make your claim. WageWorks offers a mobile app that makes it easy for you to submit your reimbursement requests. Plan carefully. Do not overestimate your expenses for the plan year and end up losing money that you have deposited and are not able to claim. The plan year starts July 1st, 2021 and goes through June 30th, 2022. You can continue to incur claims through September 15th of 2022. The final deadline to make a claim for the 2021-2022 plan year is October 31st, 2022. Finally, be sure to select the correct type of account. Healthcare FSA is for eligible healthcare expenses for you and your eligible dependents. Dependent care FSA is for daycare expenses. If you sign up for the wrong type of account, the IRS does not permit you to switch plans, so enroll carefully. Review the calculation method in this slide if you would like to determine how much you will be deducted from each of your paychecks. Here are some important insurance reminders. You are responsible to pay your portion for any benefits that begin on July 1st. If you are not planning to return for the 2021-2022 school year due to a leave of absence, retirement, or resignation, you must notify Human Resources before June 30th, 2021. Late notice of any of these events could result in your financial liability that you're not expecting. Outside of annual enrollment, you cannot make changes to your benefit elections unless you experience a qualified life event and notify the district's benefit department within the required time frame. This is an IRS rule and not a district rule. Be sure to consider your enrollment carefully for the 2021-2022 plan year. Annual enrollment is an opportunity for you to consider enrolling in, changing, or canceling voluntary life insurance. This is an employee pay all plan. You can find more information about this plan in your benefits enrollment guide. The Retirement Investors Club RIC 403B program, also known as TSA or Tax Sheltered Annuity, is an employer-sponsored voluntary retirement savings program. 403B participants contribute an amount of your choosing from each paycheck to be deposited into a 403B account with any of the 10 RIC providers and investments. Your RIC 403B contributions and earnings are available at retirement to supplement your IPERS and Social Security income benefits. There's no employer contribution to the 403B, other than for administrators. The district offers the option of a pre-tax and post-tax Roth 403B plan. Pre-tax plans deduct your contributions before taxes are taken from your check. Distributions are taxable as ordinary income. Post-tax plans deduct your contribution after taxes have been taken from your check. Distributions are tax-free if qualified. The sooner you start saving, the better. Starting to save early can increase your retirement fund even more than if you were to save the exact same amount later in life. You can enroll in a 403B at any point of the year. Start by choosing a provider to set up an account with. Financial advisors can help with this process. Once an account has been created, a 403B salary reduction form needs to be completed and given to the payroll department. Visit the district website for more information. What's next, you ask? The number one question that we get is, do I have to do anything if I want to leave everything as is? For medical and or dental elections, the answer is no. Medical and dental elections will automatically roll over if you do nothing. For vision elections, the answer is yes if you want to enroll, otherwise it will default to waive if you do nothing. For flexible spending account elections, the answer is yes, as your elections for these accounts do not roll over from year to year. Any elections, changes, or cancellations that you make during annual enrollment will take effect on July 1st, 2021. In order to enroll in, change, or cancel your medical and dental options, or to sign up for a flexible spending account effective July 1st, follow the instructions on this slide. Detailed instructions are also located in your benefits enrollment guide on the How to Enroll page. Be sure to fully complete your enrollment in Blues Enroll by the April 30th, 2021 deadline. You will know you have completed enrollment when you get the congratulations message. It is always a good idea to print the confirmation page or take a picture of the completion screen with your smartphone. You will not receive an email confirmation. If you have trouble logging in or you don't have access to a computer, contact the benefits department at 319-558-2747 and option 2, or through email at benny@crschools.us. Do not send personal health information through email, as our email system is not secure. In order for you to make informed benefits decisions, there are resources for you on the district website at www.cr.k12.ia.us under Departments and Services, then click Human Resources, Benefits, Health Plans Information. Be sure to check them out. We are here for you. Best wishes for a great 2021-2022 plan year.